birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Surprise! Thank you, Mark. I'm so sad. Oh, surprise! Thank you, Mark. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Hello. Hi, Sophia. He's accomplice. He knows about it.
Alam mo, pinuntahan ko siya, sabi ko, do you know anything about this? Did you get a text? Ano niya? No.
Thank you.
Sabi niya sa akin, why? Sabi niya, because we do that. On Nancy's birthday, we texted her.
Ay, sorry.
Okay na. Doon sa kabila yung birthday cell. Ayan. Maganda naman.
Okay lang. The surprise.
Kasi 50 yan. Excuse me. 50 kasi yan.
1, 2, 3. I got it.
Over here.
Okay.